What do you think? In a usual fashion, when the politics and the politicians and their karmachari, as we call them here, the representatives, what do? They don't do nothing for the 5 years. They just don't know what to do. But they are part of a system. खाने को मिलता है, पीने को मिलता है, दोस्ती यारी रहती है, कभी साल में एक या दो बार पिकनिक के लिए गए. This is how the situation is. Nobody is serious. The ones who are serious, they are into business. And because they are in business, they need clients, they need customers, they need prospects. All these things put together, they will try to come together. In the evening, you cannot do prospecting. I've been in sales for a long time. You can't do prospecting in the evening, but there is no better platform than politics. Why? People know you. People come to you. Maybe you're from another party, but they know you are there. And that is the important thing. And this is how it happens. This is what the imbibed situation of the Indian political arena is. Why do we have so many people from UP नुक्कड़ पे क्यों बैठते हैं? Like, अरे तू इस सेना का है या कांग्रेस का है या और किधर का है, doesn't make any difference at all. They know each other. अरे यार तू मेरा वो ये काम करने का वो कर सकता है क्या? अरे हाँ करेगा यार. Why? Slowly and steadily everybody gets into. The one who has proximity to the leader invariably becomes on the higher line. There are Shakha Pramukhs, and then they grow up into the corporators. The reason is very simple. You just need to have contact. So you spend time. And the way you spend time is you must spend time which is ill spent. I repeat, you must spend time which is ill spent to make those contacts. Once you have the contacts, you don't have to really go out in the market to fetch your prospects. This is how it is. And this is how our political scene is. What do you think? Most of the politicians, they are into building, into land development, koi agriculture karta hai. I don't want to take names. I don't want to take names, but that's the size of it. What were you 10, 15 years back? Just about nothing. But you came into politics, now you are a builder, now you are an agriculturist, you are a factory person, you are a sugar baron. Baron, not a small guy. You are a sugar baron. All these things keep happening and they will keep happening. The big reason is when the general public says, we don't want graft, we don't want पैसा देने वाला लेने वाला हमको अच्छा नहीं लगता है, but they are the ones who are putting the manure. They are the ones who are pushing these people to do exactly what they don't want to do. That's it.